Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore county records research using PropertyShark easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the PropertyShark website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar. Enter the property address or parcel number for the records you wish to research. Click on the search icon to initiate the query. Wait for the search results to load. Look for the relevant property in the results list. Click on the property link to access detailed information. Scroll down to find sections related to historical records. Review the information presented, including ownership history and transaction details. To dive deeper, check the different tabs available, such as tax records or maps. If you need documents, look for any downloadable files or links. Note any important dates or ownership changes indicated in the records. For additional context, explore surrounding properties using the map feature. If applicable, use filters to narrow down your search for specific types of records. Analyze the data thoroughly to gather insights for your research. Once finished, log out of your account for security. Keep your notes handy for future reference or follow-up questions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.